Hi everyone, welcome to the another video. Now I would like to review about the Syma Express W1, which is imported from America and come China, amazing by seller. Now let us see the helicopter remote first. This is the original made from Syma company remote. It is come to safety, and we can on this blinking. Here we can see the LCD display of the helicopter and the Syma Express W, and we can see the RPM, how much we are seeing, digital meter. And this is the headless mode, head free, and normal mode. This is the 360-degree rotation, and this is the headless mode. This is the trim options. This is the, we can see that points are coming. Okay, let us see about the helicopter. This is the helicopter Syma Express W, and there is two motors. One is for reversible and another is clockwise and another one anti-clockwise. And it's come with the FPV camera, and here the on-off button, and the camera I have to plug here, plugging the camera. Next, the battery compartment is over here. Here we can see the compartment of battery, and this is the battery, 3.7 volts, 500 mAh. Everyone, this is the 2MP HD Wi-Fi FPV camera, and here you can see quality HD camera. Here this is how to fit to a quadcopter. This is the antenna and review, and we can fit it to this helicopter. Here the shape here I have to keep here. See, the correctly fitted the camera, and we have to plug it this one into this plug one. Okay, and this is the USB charger for battery, and extra two reversible, and one is a clockwise and anti-clockwise motors, motor A and motor B. And this is the screw. Okay, now let us see about this box. This is the Syma Express W unboxing box, and here for scanning the barcode code, and we can download the Syma FPV app. Okay, now the length is 315 and width and height and motor LiPo battery. We can buy in Amazon or something in another websites. And here we can see what are the features: head free and 360 inversion and 6-axis stabilizer system, 640x480p and 2.4 GHz remote control and Wi-Fi transmission FPV. Okay, let us try about this helicopter.